Hey everyone, welcome to another Tea Time with Tori. I wanted to jump in here today and personally invite you to our workshop that we are doing tomorrow. So first off, hope you all can hear me okay. We are taking a little break and having some tea out by the pool. And I wanted to bring this up because I got this question a couple of weeks ago. And it was, how should I be marketing my photos? And this question is what prompted the workshop that we're going to be doing tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 Pacific. And I'll give you some more details about that in just a minute. So that's what prompted the workshop that's coming up. And when I was talking to this client, she was telling me that yes, she was taking some photos, which is great, right? It's great that you're taking photos and you're starting the process. She was saying though she didn't know how to get them on her website. She was also saying that she wasn't really using them on social media at the moment, and to top that off, she barely marketed them in her marketing materials because she was dealing with a bit of perfectionism. She thought that they weren't good enough to be showcasing out on her different marketing materials that she had. So I just want to say this, short of actually having a potential client go into a home and see it firsthand, these pictures is what is going to be making and breaking your business. So you need a portfolio, or you need to have an updated portfolio, or you might need to have your portfolio in different places to make sure that people are showing up and seeing your work and seeing what it is you actually do. So why are home staging portfolios so important? Number one, it shows you're an expert. Number two, it shows your skills, right? It shows your skill set, what you're capable of. If you do luxury projects, if you do small apartments, it shows your skills and how you handle different challenges and situations. It also shows the quality of design work that you do. So it shows the design styles that you like to do. It shows the different rental furnishings that you already might have and use in potential homes, right? So it gives the potential buyer an idea of what they can expect. Other than that too, it also captivates that emotion, right? A picture is worth 1,000 words. So of course, what are those 1,000 words saying about your business? And are you using photos to captivate that client in and actually hire you? So we're going to be talking all about this and more tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 Pacific. That is May 19th, Thursday, coming up, and in a workshop called Building a Home Staging Portfolio, How to Capture Attention, Build Trust, and Close More Sales. So inside the class, we're going to be talking more about how to obviously build that professional portfolio, and let's really dive into that word professional, because we want to make sure we're putting our best foot forward for all of my perfectionists out there. Also too, I'm going to help you learn how to find a photographer, the types of photos that you should be capturing. I'm sure there's a couple on there that you probably aren't doing right now, and you have to make some time to get those perfect photos in as well. Also, what are your before and after best practices, and what do you need to be doing to showcase that before and after transformation that is really going to help level up and show your potential clients the work that you do. And we're of course going to talk about integrating your photos into your marketing plan. Your photos need to be in with your marketing plan, and we've got a lot of great tips to tell you more about how to do that. So I hope you take the time and register. You can go to bit.ly, bit.ly/portfolio class. If you can't make tomorrow's class live, make sure that you still sign up, because you'll be able to get access to the replay as well for a limited time. And there'll be lots of just great tips for you to work through and implement in your business, whether you are a new stager or a veteran. I promise you're going to get something out of tomorrow's class. So make sure you sign up. If you have any home staging portfolio questions, put those in the comments down below. I would love to be able to answer those questions tomorrow night on the call. Also, I'd love to know how you are currently marketing your own photos in your business. So make sure that you comment below and let me know about that too. I hope you guys all have an amazing day. Work hard, and I will see you tomorrow. Cheers.